Hello and welcome. Today is a continuation of our Panna Cotta series. And what exactly is Panna Cotta? It is an Italian dessert which literally means cooked cream. And today I am going to show you a simple recipe. It's Milo Panna Cotta. This is the perfect dessert that you can serve for your Christmas and New Year party, or you can start a business with it. You can use it as a sinker for your drinks, for your milk tea drinks, even coffee drinks. So instead of using egg pudding, you can use panna cotta or milk pudding. Goodbye egg pudding, hello panna cotta. So you have seen it first in this channel. So for today, I'm not going to make a drink out of this panna cotta that I'm going to make, but we are going to make it in cups. So you can sell them in cups and earn money from home. Or you can start to add this in your milk tea or coffee shops. So for this, I am going to use 5 ounces cups. These are hard cups because the panna cotta mixture that we will pour into this are hot. I also have some 8 ounces cups here, and we will see how many cups we can come up with the proportion that I'm going to use today. For the ingredients, very simple, only 3 ingredients. We are going to use fresh milk, any brand will do. We are going to use sugar, and we are going to use Agar Agar powder. Can you use gelatin? Yes, you can also use gelatin, but I prefer to use Agar Agar powder because of the texture as well as it is vegan. And because this is going to be a Milo Panna Cotta, I'm going to use Milo. So let's get started and make our Milo Panna Cotta. For this, I'm going to use 750 ml of fresh milk. You can multiply this proportion if you would like to make more. So for the fresh milk, I split them into 2. One is 500 ml and one is 250 ml. You can split it any way you like, but as long as you split into 2. And I'm going to use one of them with the Agar Agar powder. So I'm going to put the Agar Agar powder into the fresh milk. Give it a bit of a stir. Okay, make sure they're all there. And then we are going to let this Agar Agar powder bloom in the milk for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. And whilst we are waiting for this to bloom for 10 minutes, I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. Okay, let's set this aside for now. For the other ingredients, I've got my fresh milk, my sugar, and Milo. In a saucepan over medium heat, bring the other half of the milk to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, add the sugar. Stir to dissolve. Add the Milo. And then the fresh milk with the Agar Agar powder. Stir to combine well. Cook for about 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. Use a sieve to strain any lumps. Scoop the bubbles out to make sure the resulting panna cotta is smooth. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes to let the mixture cool down for a bit. Pour into cups of choice. For this 5 ounce cups, pour about 100 ml for each of the cups. Let them cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes and then refrigerate for at least 4 hours to let the panna cotta set. Here are our finished panna cotta. It's time to decorate them, ready for sale. For the topping, I'm going to use strawberry puree. I'm using a local brand, and I'm also going to make some with Milo topping. Okay, so let's have a look. To decorate our cup panna cotta, whilst at the same time keeping the cost down, I use frozen strawberries, strawberry puree, and a dollop of whipped cream for each of the cups. there you have your Milo Panna Cotta with strawberry sauce, strawberry, and a little bit of whipped cream. I would say the cost of 1 cup should be no more than 20 pesos or about 50 cents in dollars. Moment of truth. Wow, that is a really beautiful texture. Look at that. The texture of the Panna Cotta is perfectly smooth, and it shouldn't be too hard like a jelly. It's a Panna Cotta cooked cream, okay? I am sure this will be a hit. Make this, sell this, serve this to your friends and family for the holiday seasons. The strawberry really complemented the Milo Panna Cotta. You can use any garnishing that you like and they will taste absolutely delicious. I can finish this whole cup for sure. For the full breakdown of costs, please check the description below. So there you have it, our Panna Cotta series, this time Milo Panna Cotta served in 5 ounces cups. You can sell them as sinkers for your drinks, or you can sell them as a dessert, just as this is presented to you right now. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, do let me know. I'll be publishing more Panna Cotta recipes and more functions for Panna Cotta in this channel in my future videos. So stay tuned. If you haven't yet subscribed, click that subscribe button below. Like and share the love. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.